Hello and welcome. As you can see, Princess Fatima has her credit card out. So she's been doing a little shopping. She went to Tony Moly and found a bundle that she liked. And here we are to present it to you. I'll give it back. I will give it back, but you can't talk with a credit card in your mouth. She raises a point. This first item contains fermented green tea extract, and I gotta tell you, she is a hefty one. There is some heft here. I couldn't find out how many tissues or cleansing wipes are in here, but the size says 16 ounces. We got a pound of a product. Oh, whoa, that looks exciting. So this is the green tea no wash cleansing tissue, and like I said, contains fermented green tea extract. So this looks like a lot of fun, and I'm noticing a lot of their products kindly have the expiration date on them. Definitely appreciated. So this one is good all the way through February of 2027. This will come in handy not only if Anne wants to try it for washing her face, this will come in handy when I do swatches of eyeshadow palettes to wash off Anne's arm. This is a peach hand cream. I'm not wild about the scent of peach, so this will probably go into the Find a Future Home box, but hopefully it shows up. They've got it so you see the little split like it's a real peach. I thought that was cute. I know, it does not take much to entertain me. Next up is a green grape jelly lip melt. I think I have a couple of these in different scents or flavors. I think the packaging is cute and adorable. It's like a jelly pan, you know, those when you make and then you put it and you turn it over and you've got a pineapple upside down cake. It's the simple things that keep her entertained. Yes, it is. This is a spicy wasabi lip plumper. This ought to be very interesting. And I thought it was kind of cute. They did it so it's got the keychain feature, so you could hook it onto your keys or the back of your backpack or wherever. And I'll have to let you know how this one works out. Keep your eye on our shorts feed. That's where we do a lot of product reviews. This is the I'm Green Tea Hydro Burst Mask. Oh, this could be interesting for some of our mask vedals. We do vedals on this channel. You should check it out. There's a playlist and everything. Are you seeing anything that you like? Anne likes everything except for the peach, which is okay. You don't always like everything you get in a bundle, but I felt the pricing on this one was worth it. So tell me everything. I want to know, what did you like? What did you like? What did you like? I know I sound like a broken record. And now moving right along with this video. We have I'm Rice Exfoliating Cleanser, and apparently this is a powder. So I guess you must mix it with a little water in the palm of your hand and scrub away. It says that it's exfoliating enzyme cleanser, gentle cleansing and non-abrasive, free of artificial coloring and artificial fragrances, and a low pH formula. So that would be gentle on the skin. Very nice. Good job, Miss Fatima. Thank you. I like shopping. So we have a nourishing and moisturizing ceramide toner. And it says ceramide mochi toner, contains ceramide, 5,000 ppb, whatever that is, must be a measurement, and that there is no artificial fragrance, no synthetic color, no animal-based ingredients, and no PEG surfactant. So in other words, it's not got the icky stuff, and it only has the good stuff. This one I think is just too stinking cute. Can you see it? Oh, it's a pocket bunny. And it's 60 milliliters, and I can't read the back of it because I think it's written in a different language, but Pocket Bunny Moist Mist. And we did give it a little spritz, and it has a nice fruity, clean scent to it. And the packaging, I think, is just too stinking cute. And then in the bundle, you get 3 face masks. Actually, one is for your feet. So I paid $6 extra to get an extra one for the feet so that Jeff can get to try it too. That was very nice of you. Thank you, Miss Fatima. Hey, I like Jeff. So in addition to the one for the foot, and actually it's just the heel of your foot, it's a peeling mask. So you put it on for a certain length of time, and then over several days, the icky, dead skin on your heels will slough off. So we now have 2 of these, so Jeff and I can try it out. And keep your eye on our short feed. That's where we'll put some of these product reviews. And also in this bundle, we got, let's not drop them, we got a brightening lotus and niacinamide sheet mask, and I guess they did a promotion or a collaboration with Squishmallows. Is it Squishmallow or Squishmallow? I don't have one, so I don't know. But this was from that collaboration. And then they also have a Master Lab Intensive Elasticity Care Collagen Elasticity face mask. So this one and the Squishmallow, those are facial masks, and then the other one is for your heel. I'd say that was a pretty good bundle. Did you get that one? Let me know. What do you think? Did you see something that you liked? Let me know. I think you can buy these individually on the Tony Moly website. We don't have a code or anything. And of course, now Anne wants to look at the nitty-gritty. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. This bundle cost $50. It may have originally been $80 and Camel got it on sale. I'm not 100% sure on that, but the cost was $50. It has a value of $110.50. Paid extra $6.50 for the extra heel mask, which that seems to be about the going price these days for individual masks. And then shipping was free. There were taxes, so all in $61.95. And I think that's a pretty good amount of product. I think there were 10 or 11 items for I'm going to say $61, but we did pay extra for one of them. Still, I think that's a pretty good return on the investment. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. We hope to see you in another video. Watch a video popping up on the screen. We're trying to build the channel, so share with your friends. Tell your friends about me, because I'm unique. How many channels do you know that have a talking camel? Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.